Bunches fall into collection areas. My hands know this weight. Workers load the fruit into bins. Bins are transferred onto trucks. The engine sound is like a promise. Trucks move to the processing facility, taking a small piece of me with them. Fresh palm fruit bunches arrive by truck. Pass through calibrated weighbridge systems and are recorded digitally. Trucks unload the fruit onto loading ramps. And automated conveyors transfer the bunches into sterilization units. Steam enters the sterilization chamber at controlled pressure. Temperature and timing parameters stabilize.
Palm fruit bunches remain in the chamber until enzymatic activity stops and fruit softening is complete.
Sterilized fruit bunches enter the rotating thresher drum.
Mechanical rotation separates loose fruits from empty bunches. Loose fruits fall onto conveyors for digestion.
Empty bunches exit through the discharge system.
Once the fruit enters the digester, the transformation's irreversible. This is where the valuable crude palm oil is released from the softened pulp.
Internal rotating arms break the fruit mesocarp.
Controlled heat softens the pulp and releases oil for mechanical pressing.
Extracted solids are directed to fiber recovery systems. Crude palm oil from the press flows into clarification tanks. Heat maintains fluid separation. Oil rises to the upper phase. Water and sludge settle below. Automated skimmers transfer the separated oil. To the purification stage.
High rotational speed separates moisture and fine impurities.
Water is added for degumming.
Alkaline solution neutralizes free fatty acids.
Centrifuges remove soap stock. Bleaching earth is mixed with the oil under vacuum.
To absorb pigments and trace contaminants. Automated filters separate the spent earth.
Point producing a clearer refined oil.
Steam passes through the oil under vacuum. volatile compounds are removed.
Oil exits the deodorizer with neutral aroma.85单季度的食用油通过 A 点进入，开始在冷圈断裂中进行初步降温。
The oil cools to filling temperature. Microfilters remove remaining fine particles. Output moves to the filling station.
Automated arms arrange them into sets. Mechanical sealers secure them in wrapping. Robotic palletizers stack the wrapped jerrycans. They form uniform layers on pallets.
Filled jerrycans move from the filling line. They arrive at the packing area. Automated arms arrange them into sets. The machine feels no fatigue.
Mechanical sealers secure them. They are sealed in protective wrapping.
Pallets are transferred to warehouse zones. They use forklifts. Inventory systems register pallet locations.
Pallets containing packed jerrycans are moved into the warehouse. Forklifts position each pallet onto designated storage racks. Inventory systems record pallet locations for first-in, first-out handling.
Palletized cooking oil cartons are moved from the loading dock into distribution trucks.
Trucks depart from the facility.
At each delivery point, pallets or cartons are unloaded.
scanned for receipt confirmation, and transferred into the retailer's storage area.